Library friends, this is Miss Lian from the Huntley Area Public Library. We're back with another fun craft video. Today we're going to be making paper chains, so let's get into the video. So let's grab some supplies. The supplies you need for today's craft are pretty simple. You just need some holiday colored paper. You need some scissors. And you need some glue sticks. So I got a couple glue sticks just in case one runs out. So let's get started. So first what you're going to want to do is grab your paper. To make this easier for me, I'm going to stack maybe 4 sheets of paper together. You can try and stack however many pieces of paper together, but you do have to remember that if you stack more, it'll be harder to cut through. So, you don't want to cut the long way, you want to cut on the short side. So, you're just going to cut a strip, you're just going to cut strips of paper as thick as you want it. And you kind of want to make them all the same length. And as you can see, when you stack the papers together, it kind of gets moved around when you're cutting. So I'm going to flip it to the other edge. You want to hold the paper by pinching your fingers together so it doesn't move around as much. It might still move around here and there, but that's okay. And if you have some extra scraps, you can just throw that away, or you can keep those and make thinner chains. So what you're going to want to do, this is a pretty simple craft. All you're going to want to do is roll the ends together, and where your paper meets each other, you're going to want to glue. So as you can see, I'm gonna say you're gonna want to glue on the bottom one, but we'll see. Maybe on the on both edges, so on the top edge and the bottom edge. But you do want to remember you want to glue both of them that are facing each other. So this glue looks like, you don't need a lot of glue, you just need a little bit of glue. And I'm just gonna glue the top one. We're gonna get a different glue because that glue was way too hard. And this glue doesn't want to open. There we go. Okay, and you can switch colors or keep the colors the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it, roll it up. Oh, I forgot what you want to do on your next. So the first one you're going to do plain and simple like this. On the next one, you want to pull it through the middle of the first one, or not the first one, of the last one, and glue it together like that. Then we're going to grab our next color, put some glue on it. And if you want to go in a pattern, a color pattern, you want to keep doing the same colors. So we have green, red, green. And that's basically all you got to do. You're just going to keep gluing it until you have the length that you like, or until you run out of paper. Now, I used to do this when I was a kid all the time, and we would decorate the Christmas tree with it. It was a super easy thing to do, and it also made your Christmas tree pretty as well. So I'm gonna keep gluing all of these. And if you're doing this at home, what you can do, since this might take a while, you can put on a fun Christmas movie or any kind of holiday movie while you're doing this, or put some holiday music and get the holiday spirit going. Comment down below what your favorite holiday movie is. I think mine's gotta be Elf or the Polar Express. And some of them you might have to hold down the glued edge a little bit longer. And that's the craft for today. It's a super easy craft, but it'll make your house look very festive. Or your tree very festive, wherever you want to put it. And that's it for today. I know it was a pretty short craft, so what I want you to do is make your chains whatever colors you want, and then share with the library on Instagram and Facebook how you used your chains to decorate. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you log on to huntleylibrary.org for all your digital content you have access to with your library card. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. We have fun story time, and we also have some fun holiday videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.